Hello and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you've been sent this video, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from a wheel rebalancing. Maintaining a vehicle involves multiple tasks, each contributing to the overall performance, safety, and longevity of the vehicle. Among these tasks, wheel balancing stands out as a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of vehicle maintenance. Proper wheel balancing ensures smooth driving, reduces wear, and enhances safety. Here's a closer look at why wheel rebalancing is essential for your vehicle. First, let's take a look at what exactly is wheel rebalancing. Wheel rebalancing is the process of equalizing the weight distribution around a vehicle's wheels. This is done by adding small weights to the wheel to counteract any imbalances. Imbalances can occur due to uneven wear, manufacturing imperfections, or the installation of the new tires. Even a slight imbalance can cause significant issues over time. What are the benefits of regular rebalancing? Smooth ride. Balanced wheels ensure a smoother and more comfortable driving experience. Vibrations of unbalanced wheels can make driving tiring and uncomfortable. Extending the tire life. By evenly distributing the load, wheel rebalancing prevents premature and uneven tire wear, saving you money in the long run. Improved fuel efficiency. Balanced wheels reduce rolling resistance, which can help improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency and enhance safety. Properly balanced wheels contribute to better handling and stability, reducing the risk of accidents caused by poor vehicle control. When should you rebalance your wheels? During tire installation. When you install new tires, it is essential to have them balanced. Regular maintenance. It is good practice to have your wheels balanced every 5 to 10,000 kilometers or during a regular tire rotation. After repairs. If you've had suspension or steering repairs, rebalancing your wheels ensures everything works in perfect harmony. And when noticing symptoms. If you experience any signs mentioned earlier, get your wheels checked and rebalanced immediately. Wheel rebalancing is a vital part of vehicular maintenance that ensures your car runs smoothly, safely, and efficiently. By addressing these imbalances promptly, you can enjoy a more comfortable ride, extend the life of your tires, and improve your vehicle's overall performance. Regular wheel rebalancing is a small investment that can save you significant time, money, and hassle in the long run. If you would like us to move forward with your wheel rebalancing, please let us know straight away. And if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much, and bye for now.